So part 2, they want you to draw the dice in an unfolded format. So I'm going to switch to, again, turn the actor off, switch to the little movie clicker. I'm going to pick this thing called top view. So I'm going to draw from above and zoom in. Well, I know each square of the dice is 3 by 3. So I'm going to draw a 3, 3 box and zoom in on it. I have 6 sides. So I'm going to stack 4 of these back to back, 3, 3, 3, 3. So here I have in my dice, it could be the front, bottom, back, and top. You know, left and a right side. And I'll put those here, 3, 3, and here, 3, 3. So now this is my cube. I could cut the perimeter out with scissors, right? I could fold on this line, this line, and that line, and fold this. And the whole thing should fold up to a box or a cube, right? Right. Okay. So now the dots, same as last time. I'm going to draw the same kind of configuration. I'm just going to draw all my lines at once. I'm going to build all those little doodads. I'm just going corner to corner. All these. That way they're all done in advance and ready, right? So I'm going to build all my potential boxes. Measuring, we did the half inch, right? We'll go half inch, and then half inch. So this one is done, this one is done, this one needs a half inch here, and here, and here, oops, and here, got it, this one down 0.5, up 0.5, nope, undo, try it again, 0.5, okay. So now my circles, I'll just do one and I'll pause. I'm going to go for the middle. This is a 1/4 inch. Oopsie. Oh, sorry. Circles from the middle, 1/4 inch. 1. Now the hard part. The 1 and the 6 are opposite. This is the front, this is the back. So I need one more line for my 6 to happen. So now I'm going to go circle. The 6 is going to be corner, 1/4 inch, here, the 1/4 inch, here 1/4 inch, there's a 1/4 inch, there's a 1/4 inch, and there's a 1/4 inch. So 1 and 6 are done. So I need to build the 2 and the 5. And a 3 and the 4. So build those next. And my dice is ready to print. I'm hoping your Chromebooks work to print this. I found if you zoom in, you can make your dice just as tall as your screen and put it on the far, far, far right side. When you go to print this, it fits the page better. You can print a PDF. Oh, cancel. Oh, sorry, cancel. I'm going to have, here it is. It's gray background. Don't print that. I'm going to go white background. And now print it. And say OK. And then go into your paper cut option. And then refresh the screen. Oh, no. Try it again. Let's go print Current view, letter size, landscape, good, 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 good. Print. Let's continue. Maybe it's still transmitting. Paper cut. Refresh. Anyways, when it shows up here, print it to the Lab A printer. Lab A printer to have that. That means part 2 is now done.